Welcome to Daily Tax Savings. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on saving taxes and staying out of tax trouble. Today's topic is about some tax problems resolve on their own. And it's prompted by a story I worked on today. Now, in this broadcast, I often talk about bizarre and large and convoluted tax situations, often business owners and investors. But the most common scenario is one that's being worked out now. Think back a few years ago during COVID shutdown and the recovery period. A lot of people took the W-2 salaried people took side jobs, side gigs to earn a little extra money, and some did very well doing that, but most forgot to pay self-employment taxes. That's considered self-employment income. And so not only is there income taxes, but there's 15% self-employment taxes. So a lot of people, I don't have a number, I've forgotten the reports that were out there, but it was a lot of people had taxes due on their side gigs. And a lot of people took the side gigs because they needed the cash. It's not as if they had extra cash laying around to pay an extra cash tax bill in their bank account. They couldn't pay it. So they filed the tax return with the shortage. And in this case, I looked at today, I went back. It was a young woman that took a little extra work, and she wound up with about $2,000 in tax due when she normally would have received a refund. Well, what happened? The problem is working itself out for the next 2 years after that. She would have received the refund, and IRS simply notified her that it was applying her refund to her past due balance. She let me know that it was, they sent a letter and it was under $500. So next year it'll be resolved. So while it sucks that you don't get refunds for 3 years, but in this case, it worked out that she didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to do anything. The problem solved itself. Next time, hopefully, all of us are a little bit smarter. And when we're making money, we set a little bit of money aside to cover the taxes and avoid the stress. We'd love to hear if you have any similar stories or concerns, comments, feedback, or if you want to reach me one-on-one. That's easy to do also, either through social media or schedule an appointment time to talk at taxproblems.cpa. And I'll be back tomorrow.